Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a collective haul. I popped to IKEA and Aldi today, and do you know what? It wasn't intentionally meant to be a big shop, but I kind of had a big shop. Yeah, I got some really good bits. Like IKEA is looking really good at the moment. Aldi has some amazing bits in, and I really just wanted to talk you through what I got today with the prices. Also, sorry if you can hear the dishwasher. We've just put it on stupidly, but you can't stop this dishwasher. It is the demon of dishwashers. If I pause it, it's just going to keep beeping. So yeah, let's go through. Sorry, I'll take the bread out. And now Lawrence needs to take the bread out of the oven. Behind the scenes of Lawrence's bread making.
There you go.
Hey! We shall enjoy that later.
Yeah.
Does it sound hollow at the bottom?
It sounds hollow at the bottom.
It looks good.
Premium life.
Oh, that looks really good. That one.
It's probably just one big air bubble.
No. Okay, so back to the video. So we're going to run through the haul now. I hope you're excited. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to join us. Give this video a thumbs up because it really does help my channel out. And let's go. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, got quite a lot here. There's stuff all down there. There's stuff covering most of the tables. So we're going to have a lot of fun today. I'm just going to grab any bag. As I said, we'll start with Aldi. This week's shop from Aldi was more of like a top-up shop just to keep us going throughout the next few days. And then next week, over the weekend, I probably will film it if you want to see. I'm going to be doing a bulk buying, bulk freezer stash food meal plan thing. Where essentially I'm going to be making a lot of food over the next week, and we're going to be stashing it in the freezer. It's a fantastic way to save money, eat well. Also, just personally for us, when the baby's here, which won't be too long, it'd be great to have a lot of nice meals in the freezer. So it's going to be a lot of meal planning, meal prepping, and freezer storing over the next couple of weeks. So if you do want to see that, make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, we'll start in this bag. It's the first bag I picked up. So for dinner tonight, we're having chicken salad pittas with a side salad of olives and things like that. Essentially, we just get some chicken, put it in the oven, and we shred it all up and make a salad, make the pittas, cut them in half, and put it all in the middle of the table, and you just kind of grab stuff with the fork. Nutritious and delicious, as Lawrence and I say. These are the pitta breads I always go on about from Aldi. They are the specially selected ones, so they're still 85p. They're the Mediterranean ones. You can get either the wholemeal or the white ones. Both are really good. I've been enjoying the wholemeal lately, especially with this type of dinner. A pack of chestnut mushrooms. A pack of chestnut mushrooms. These were 75p. We've been having mushrooms quite a lot lately, but we normally garlic fry them with garlicky butter, either put them on an omelette or have them on like a side of like a toast type dish. Whole milk. This is Lawrence's milk, but also we make pancakes normally once a week, so we get some normal whole milk. And how much is milk from Aldi? 4 pints for £1.09. We have this jar of pasta sauce. This is such an easy but delicious meal. We literally just put dry pasta in a baking tray, we pour this over, we fill the whole thing up with water, give it a shake, pour that over, throw some Italian herbs in there and put it in the oven. And halfway through, take it out the oven, mix lots of cheese in there and on top, put it back in the oven, more Italian herbs, and leave it in the oven for another little while, and you've got yourself a really nice pasta bake. Normally we actually make pasta sauces from scratch, but this is for like lazy Saturday dinner. 49p, total bargain. Colgate Max White toothpaste, which is £1.89. That is a little bit pricey actually. I normally go to Poundland and get toothpastes because you can get that for £1, believe it or not. Some asparagus tips, 79p. We just dry fry these, put a tiny bit of olive oil on them and salt afterwards. My fave, 85p, plant-based milk, oat milk. Can I just say, Lawrence and I learned about all the different plant-based milks. Almond milk I used to have all the time, but it's like not great for the environment at all. Also, you don't get much nutrition from almond milk, whereas oat milk, out of all the milks, including dairy milk, it's like the easiest, most economical way to produce milk. And yeah, so I only have oat milk now. From Aldi, it's great, by the way, it's 85p. Lawrence is fully a bread maker now. That's the only bread we have now is his homemade bread. So this strong flour from Aldi for 1.5 kilograms, it's 59p, which is arguably a very good price. That was a lot harder than it should have been. This big bag, I'm so excited. The other week someone messaged me on Instagram to tell me that their Aldi had started bringing out their own version of sesame seed bagels, which are my favourite type of bagels. My Aldi has just started this week, which is really great because they're so nice. So yeah, I've not tried them before. They're 99p from my Aldi. Yeah, these will go in the freezer though, because I don't tend to have like one a day. I normally just have like one every now and then. We have some chicken. This is sweet chili barbecue style chicken thighs in their barbecue range, in Aldi's barbecue range. So we've had them before. They're really, really nice. I have to say, since becoming pregnant, I have eaten much more meat than I normally would. We still only eat it about probably like 2-3 times a week, but for me that's quite a lot. But I'm just giving my body what it needs and what it wants, so that's good. But this chicken's great. We just cook it and shred it up, and it's going to be our dinner tonight. It's also just as easy to get some plain chicken and put whatever flavours you want, but we've got a really, really busy couple of days and I just needed something easy. £2.79, and there's quite big bits of chicken in there. For our salad tonight, Lauren's been making an olive salad. Here's a picky. We obviously need olives. God, state the obvious, Sophie. So our favourite olives from Aldi, and do you know what they're my favourite out of all the supermarket olives you can get, are the chimichurri olives. They're garlicky and herby and spicy, and they're absolutely delicious. They're very oily. They're just gorgeous. They're green olives. What are your favourite olives? Black olives or green olives? I'd love to know. And then I've also got a pack of lemon and herbs olives. These were actually cheaper. These are £1.39. These are £1.69, I believe. £1.39 and £1.59, should I say. These are just a little bit smaller, but there's lots in there. We just cut them in half and throw them in a salad. If you want me to do a recipe, more than happy to. A bag of carrot batons. This is me being totally lazy / incredibly busy. For some reason, as it's nearing the end of my pregnancy, I'm adding more and more and more things to do on my to-do list. So instead of just buying carrots and then spending time to peel and chop them up, I've just bought a bag of these Batons. Carrots are just great just for constantly munching on if you need energy boost. 63p from Aldi. So I'll be snacking on these over the next couple of days. I also got a pack of British tomatoes for our salad. Do you know what we do straight away with these? We'll open them up and leave them on a windowsill, because in the sun on the windowsill they go really sweet. I used to put them in the fridge until Lawrence taught me put them on a windowsill in sunlight, and they are so much nicer. Bag of radish for our wraps, our pita breads tonight. 43p. The best butter in the world that you could ever buy. Really thick sea salt crystals in. It's really nice from Aldi, and it's £1.59. A couple of bags of rocket for our salad. The only kind of salad I buy is rocket. I don't buy like the mixed leaves. Corn on the cob for dinner later on in this week. Again, if we're not doing it on the barbecue, we just dry fry it and then spread salty butter on it. A bag of pears, 6 organic eggs, and Lawrence has some beers in there. Okay, now moving on to the exciting stuff from Aldi. Special buys. Their special buys are great at the moment. They have ethical things for your home. They also have ethical toys. They have a lot of baby and mum stuff, which is really, really good. So there's a baby and mum event, and they have great garden things. So yeah, I really, really recommend just checking them out. But anyway, I'll talk you through what I got. So the first thing from the special buys aisle, if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, I'm really, really into my bee and butterfly friendly garden, and my whole garden I make sure everything can be like used by bees and butterflies. And these things are fantastic. So these are bee bombs, or seed bombs as these called, and essentially they're just like pellets, and inside the pellets is tons of like wildflower seeds, and you just throw them on mud and water them in, and they bloom. Really, really fantastic, very low maintenance, and they'll be great for like children if you want to do something with children at the weekends and things like that. They're great. £3.99 per pack. So I got one which is a bee and butterfly mixture. To be honest, they all are, but I think they just call them different stuff. But that looks like it has lots of like corn flour and things like that, which are great. Another one which is a rainbow flower mixture. These have pink corn cockles in, marigolds, china aster, safe flower, cornflower, candy tuft, pink mallow. These sound great. Those flowers sound like a lot of fun. We've got another rainbow flower. Anyway, they look gorgeous, don't they? It's gonna look really good in the garden. Now is a great time to be throwing these down and watering them in. So I love Aldi for things like that. I think it's really good at this time of year. It's good all year round, isn't it though? A towel for the baby, the first one. So it's a towel and flannel set. We don't know the gender of our baby, by the way. It's gonna be a surprise at birth, but not that colours matter. I just really like this. It has like two really cute little dinosaurs on. It's so soft and it's a hooded towel, which is gonna look really cute. 100% cotton, it's got a wash mitt, and it was only £3.99, and I just thought, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that just gorgeous? And then look how fun this is. Solar powered cat paw prints. They come with little stakes and you can push them into your grass or mud or the ground. And I just think they look fantastic. Like, look how cute they are. Dog ones as well, like bigger paw prints. If you want bigger paw prints. Oh, these were £5.99, and I'm sure the dog ones were like £7.99 because they're quite a bit bigger. But I just thought they're so cute. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, because when I eventually get them in the ground and there's enough sun on the solar panel, I'll probably go outside and show you what they look like in the dark. And then, excitingly, in their children's section, they're selling these baskets. I mean, it doesn't really need to be for a child's room, because I've got similar baskets from IKEA that I put plants in. Look how cute that is. Isn't that just so cute? £9.99, so it was £10. They had this one and ones with hearts on and ones with like geometric patterns. So this one is going to go in the baby's room. To be fair, it's a sizable basket. It'll probably house like either blankets or toys in there when they're a bit older, I don't know. But I could use it for something while they're very young, like nappies or something, I don't know. Give me ideas. You guys come out with the best ideas, literally. But I just thought that was really cute. It's got like a little cat face on, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's it for the Aldi stuff. Now I'll go through the IKEA things, which I'm so excited about. The first thing we picked up, one of the first things, is this gorgeous cabbage leaf plate. Now this was giving us Liberty vibes, very much so, except 100 times cheaper than what you would pay there. It's gorgeous just to kind of have out. Now Lawrence is baking bread quite a lot. We're thinking of making it for the bread, using it for the bread. If not, it's going to look great to serve up salads when you have people around over the summer, things like that. I'm absolutely loving their kitchenware at the moment. All our current plates and bowls are from IKEA. And I really do love them. I really think they're great, and I always get questions about them. Being there yesterday made me want to get all their new stuff for the kitchen. It's really nice at the moment. Originally, we actually just went to IKEA for some storage solution type things. So I needed things like drawer dividers, and we needed a book, like a bookshelf thing. Just little bits for the baby's room and for when the baby's here, just to have, I don't know, I think I'm in nesting mode, but we need to like organise a lot of kind of the junk around the house. So one of the things I did pick up was this, which is a gorgeous little coat hanger. Baby's room, so I'm thinking of having this hung up. And I don't know, I've seen really gorgeous storage solutions on Instagram where people would put this up and they might put a dressing gown on and they might hang a little toy on there. But I think it'll look really nice in the baby's bedroom. It's going to be a very neutral, gender neutral style bedroom. This is called Flissat, so if you want this, search for Flissat. We did also really want this really popular IKEA bookshelf that you put on the wall and you can put things in the shelf, but unfortunately it was out of stock. It's a very popular item. I think it's about £12. So we've set ourselves up for the email, so when it does come back into stock into our local IKEA, we're gonna get our hands on it. So for our bed, I bought these cushions. I really love these. I might have to go back and get much more. But I bought these cushion covers, which are 65 by 65, so they're quite big pillows. And this is it 100% linen? I don't know, but look for Joffred. If you like really gorgeous natural linen and oatmeal colours and very earthy tones, go to IKEA and look for the Joffred range, because they have gorgeous throws and blankets in this feel. It's such a gorgeous feel, honestly. Feels so nice. Bought two of the 65 by 65 cushion covers, which are actually quite big, and they're going to go on our bed, and hopefully when it's in stock we can get matching throw that goes over it. and we just have nice plain white bedding on, and with the throw and these it will look really nice and neutral and calming in the bedroom. Now it's spring and summer, I want to like really tone everything down, make everything calm and white and peaceful. And then we're going to add a baby into the mix who's not going to make everything peaceful, but all the same I want to like create a really nice calm environment in there. Because we don't have pillows big enough, we bought these. Can I just say these are, because obviously I tested them out in the store, these are honestly such a nice texture. I'm so impressed, and it just makes a really nice cushion. So I was really impressed with those. So we've got 2 of those to go with our 2 cushion covers. Again, follow me on Instagram, or Thursdays on the channel, you'll probably see me put those on the bed and tell you about what they look like. I got this. This is going to be my makeup storage section, I hope. I bought one because I wanted to test it out. If not, it can be my arts and crafts thing, I don't mind. I don't have a makeup table anymore because essentially it just never gets used, but I do have a lot of skincare products and moisturisers and lotions and makeup, and I'm starting to run out of room to put them, so I wanted to organise them into this. And this can go somewhere in our house and look better than kind of what the current setup is. I might buy one of those label machines and label this up. If you want me to vlog me sorting out that section, I need to do like a nest with me, I'm nesting style video, because I'm pure in nesting mode. And then one of the main reasons I went to IKEA was to get their drawer dividers. Do not underestimate the power of drawer dividers. So they start at £6 I believe, and they go down to £2. The very small ones are £2 each. The big ones are £6, and I believe the medium are £3 or £4. But I'll show you what they look like. Really, oh look how easy that is, see? And then you can put these little things in the sides. They're absolutely fantastic for keeping everything separate in your drawers. So again, this can be a great storage solution generally for the baby's room. I also bought a baby book, so it's just like a sensory soft book. The pineapple reminded me of Lawrence, 100%. So it's got different fills on it and noises, some grapes. It's got a little, you're probably really not interested in this, but I think it's really cute. Oh, little watermelon. So that's the first kind of baby book they'll be into. And also, by the way, I popped into Primark a few days ago and I bought these lovely baskets. Thought I'd show you. So these are going to be my bathroom baskets for my skincare. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed today's jumbled up mega haul vlog thing. You found it useful to know kind of what's in those 2 stores at the moment. Don't forget, I upload around 3 times every single week. I'm trying my best, but I am very much into my 3rd trimester with a lot of to-do things on my list. So if I miss an upload, then don't worry, because when things get back to a little bit more calmer, I'll be always doing my 3 uploads a week. But yeah, I upload every single week, so make sure you are subscribed. I love you guys so much. I hope you're well, and I'll see you again really, really soon. Mwah. Bye!